Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another fun and exciting video. So for today's video, we are going to do an unboxing. I received a couple of boxes last night from K-mart. I ordered them a couple weeks back. I just received them, as I said, last night. And I want to unbox them with you today. I want to show you how they look like. I got the 3-drawer bamboo framed unit and the towel ladder. So if you are excited to see that, I know you are, please keep watching. Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna start unboxing the ladder first. Let's see how it looks like. Where to open you? I hope you can see it. I'm going to put the pricing for this on the description box. So we've got the towel holder itself. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and some screws. Unfortunately, oh, there it is. I thought there's no. So there's an instruction here of how to assemble the ladder. We're gonna follow this and I'll show you how it looks like as soon as I'm done. So we've completed one, the ladder. I'm going to show this to you later on. We'll start with the next one. Now we finished the ladder. We're going to start unboxing and assembling the 3-drawer bamboo unit. Just gonna open the box. Again, I'm not very handy, so I'm gonna need help later on because this looks so complicated to me. I wouldn't know what to do. So here's everything inside the box, and again it comes with an instruction on how to assemble. Hopefully we can follow. Again, not just me, I'm gonna need help in assembling this. We'll start assembling and I'll show you this once it's done. It's all assembled, all unboxed. This is the 3-tier bamboo storage unit. It's okay. I like it. There's a lot of room inside the drawers, so it's kind of deep, so I know you can put a lot of things inside. It came with a chip in the last drawer, so it's probably because of the delivery. I really don't mind it. That's why I put it in the last bit, so you know, no one can see it. This one, it was very easy to put together. I had no problems doing that, but the storage unit, I had help from my husband and my son. As I said, I am not a very handy person, that's why I had help. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video today. Please give it a thumbs up, share this with your family and friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment on the comment section below if you have anything in mind, any videos at all that you want me to do or you want to see. I'd love to hear from you, so please do leave a comment. Aside from that, I hope you guys are all doing well. We'll see you guys in the next video.